Hello everybody, welcome to Freddie Cook's International Soul Food, Wings and Onion Rings. I am back here with 20 wings minus 2 because they only gave me 18 wings. I already called them and let them know exactly what was on my mind. Since I'm already home with my 18 wings, that's what I'll be having today. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so the flavors that I got from Buffalo Wild Wings is I got the Thai chili. No, is it Thai chili? Yeah, Thai chili. No, Thai curry. I got the Buffalo Wild, and I also have garlic parmesan. Got some onion rings here as well with some carrot and some celery sticks. So, like I was saying, how do you get the order? Okay. I can't win for losing. And these wings are good though. I can't win for losing. How do you not count out 20 wings? I ordered a 20 piece. How hard is it to put 20 pieces of chicken in this order? How hard is that? And yes, I checked my order before I left. I made sure the wing flavors were there. I had all my wing flavors. I didn't count every single last wing. I didn't think I had to count my wings. So I called the restaurant. He's going to give me $2 back, but I want my $2. I would rather have my 2 wings. That's why I ordered a 20 piece, because I wanted 20 pieces of wing. 20 wings. You know, how do you get that wrong? Well, I'm going on and on and on about my wings and didn't ask how you were doing. How are you all out there? It's been a couple of days, several days, maybe even a week since I've seen you. But I thought I'd come through real quick, and say what's up. This is the Wild Buffalo. It's nice and got a little heat to it. It's actually good. Why does my order get messed up all the time? Why do people keep messing up stuff? You know, I think if people treated other people's stuff like they wanted their stuff to be treated, won't make so many mistakes. Whoever did this, I know if they got home and they didn't have but 18 wings, they were not going to be satisfied. How do you make a mistake with that? You just get a handful of wings and drop them and don't count them? And just hope it's 20? Mm-hmm. Why me? I'm gonna get some ketchup for these onion rings. Shut up. Okay. So there are my onion rings and my celery. I really have any talking plan for this video. It was going to be an ASMR before I jump into my series of dinner conversations. But ASMR videos is like, it's almost torture to me because I like to make too much moaning and groaning to do ASMR. And I wanted to say, hey. So, won't be much talking. And also, these wings supposed to be extra saucy. I asked for extra wet wings. You just look over here into my plate and you tell me how much sauce you see. Right? They're good, but there's definitely not extra sauce. So always much rather eat or dine in. For one, I get to start on my food while it's fresh and hot. So back up, that's number two. Number one, I can check my order right there and make sure it's right. And I would have immediately counted my wings and immediately told them to go fix me 2 more wings. And I would have immediately saw that there's no extra sauce, and that's what I've asked for. Of course, I would have asked nicely. Because I don't want nobody to spit in my food. But who's to say they did and I already spit in it? I don't know. That's why I have to say my blessing, pray over it, and keep going. But I do like Buffalo Wild Wings though because they cook them just right to me. I don't like them extra crunchy. They're just right, nice and juicy, just not wet enough. Mm. The Thai curry has so much flavor, so good. It just doesn't taste as hot as it did last time I got these because I had extra sauce last time. And of course the spices in the sauce. If you get extra sauce, you get extra spicy. Count it up. Today I'm drinking lemon lime drink mix. Oh, so good. It tastes like some real good lemonade. It almost tastes like Chick-fil-A's lemonade. That's what it tastes. It tastes, and you know, I guess you know, Chick-fil-A has some of the best lemonade because it's super sweet. I just got some salt and vinegar seasoning because I never had it. And I wanted to see what it tastes, how it tastes. Maybe I'll save that seasoning and put it on some French fries.